Good afternoon, students. Today for class 6th in GK, our topic is important documents. There are certain documents which has been approved by government of India and other governments also, which makes identities of the person, or we can say also residence proofs for a person that he belongs to such residence, or he is from our nation, he is from this state. So there are certain documents, or there are certain also another documents which gives a valid authority for a person to drive, to travel. So these documents, all of us should know what is the document and what is its purpose and why is it important. As all of we are aware that presently Aadhaar is the document which we need everywhere. If you want to have the bank account, you need the Aadhaar there. If you want to have a driving lesson, you want to apply for a driving lesson, Aadhaar. You want to take admission in the school, Aadhaar number is important. So there are certain documents also which are very important. A few documents are inevitable. You should know about them and why they are so important for us. The first one is the passport. This is a travel document usually issued by country's government that certifies the identity and nationality of its holder for the purpose of international travel. In India, it is issued by the President of India to the citizens of the Republic of India for traveling abroad. So, the first document which we are going to discuss is about passport. Passport is actually a travel document which is being used by a person for traveling to for international traveling, and it is being issued by government of India. President of India is issuing to the citizens, all those citizens who are from the Republic of India, if they want to travel abroad. So this document or the passport is compulsory. They should have this document with them. Next is voter ID card. This card is issued to all the Indian citizens who have attained the age of 18 years. So after attaining the age of 18 years, you can apply. Before that, you can apply, but only when you complete the age of 18 years, this identity proof will be issued to you, and this qualifies. The main purpose of this card is one, it is identity proof that he is from this country, he is from this state, he is from that area, and another, it qualifies you for the voter. If you are having this voter ID card, you are eligible to cast your vote. It is issued by the Election Commission of India. The department which is issuing this voter ID card is Election Commission of India. Its main purpose is identity proof while casting votes. It also serves as general identity proof, address proof, and age proof for casting votes, as well as for other purposes such as buying a mobile phone, SIM, or applying for a passport. So before Aadhaar, voter ID was the main identity proof, main address proof, main. Nowadays both are important, but the government is giving much more to Aadhaar, and voter ID card is mostly being used at when you are going to cast a vote. If you are having voter ID card, easily you can cast your vote. Then is visa. It is a sticker or a stamp that is placed in your passport to allow you to enter the country that has issued it. For some countries, without a visa, there is no way that you can enter legally. So from the country which you belongs to, you need to have a passport from that country to visit another country. But from that country which you are going to visit, there are certain countries who have made it compulsory that if you are going to visit our country, you have to be an visa. So this is the document which you need for that country. If you are having a visa of USA, then only you can visit USA. Passport is traveling abroad, but visa is for that certain country. Next is Aadhaar card. It is a 12-digit unique identification number issued by the Indian government to every resident of India. The Unique Identification Authority of India, UDAI, which functions under the Planning Commission of India, is responsible for managing the identification cards It is a number that serves as a proof of identity and address anywhere in India. So Aadhaar card is proof of address. It is proof of identity. Now proof of date of birth is also linked with the Aadhaar. It is visible there. So Aadhaar presently in our country is a unique number for every individual. There is no age limit. There is no age bar. Uh, when a person, when a child takes birth, after birth he can apply for the Aadhaar. So this is being issued by the uh, Unique Identification Authority of India is issuing this Aadhaar to its citizens. Next is PAN or permanent account number. It is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric identity allowed to each taxpayer by the Income Tax Department under the supervision of the Central Board of Direct Taxes. So again, PAN number, there are 10 digits. It is both alphabetic as well as numeric. So far Aadhaar is concerned, there are only there are 12 digits, but all the digits are numeric. But in PAN number, it is mix of alphabetic as well as numeric. So 10 digits are there. It is actually for all those who are eligible or who are nearer to tax paying or paying tax. That is why it is being issued by the Income Tax Department under the supervision of the Central Board of Direct Taxes. It also serves as an identity proof. This number is mandatory for financial transactions such as receiving taxable salary or professional fees, sale or purchase of assets above specified limits by mutual funds and more. So PAN number is mostly used for the financial transactions, for buying or selling the properties, assets. So this is important for that. The next is driving lesson is an official document which authorizes its holder to operate various types of motor vehicles on highways and some other roads to which the public have access. So driving lesson actually is a permission for driving a vehicle. There are certain rules, or we can say the kinds of driving lessons are there. uh, Light motor vehicle, heavy, transportable, non-transportable, certain types are there. So it authorizes you to drive a vehicle as per your kind of driving lesson. uh, the union government has launched a new service, integrated digital locker with driving license DL and vehicle registration certificate RC transport. Through this new service, a user can access their driving license and registration certificate digitally and need not carry physically copy of that time. So these are certain important documents which our country are issuing to its citizens for smooth functioning of the departments. Thank you. Hey, you also say.